Okay, for the first time, I will introduce myself. My name is Justin. My NPM is 16.05.04.0121. Here, I will explain about the tutorial to change sounds into robot voice. Use the Audacity application version 2.1.2. Maybe now the latest version already exists because I have not updated the application. Here are two types of robot sounds. Later, it's up to you want to choose which one. But I want to explain two types. Roughly, the results will be like this. This is the first type. And this is a second type.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. Thank you.
Okay, let's get started. For the first, we must record our voice first. Hello, my name is Justin. I am from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you. Okay, listening. Hello, my name is Justin. I am from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you. This is the name is interference. Then we eliminate the interference by way of which part will be removed interference. We must block the interference. Then click effect, then choose noise reduction, then click get noise profile, and repeat effect, choose noise reduction, and press off. See, the interference is lost. And same. Noise reduction, get noise.
And then effect, noise reduction, get noise profile. Effect, noise reduction. Okay. This is the same.
You must listening the result. Hello, my name is Justin. I am from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you. The noise is lost. To turn our voice into robot voice, first, click effect, effect, select echo, delay time filled in 0.006 and decay factor filled in 0.7. Okay, we must then repeat the previous step. Effect, repeat itu because it's full, very full. It will make the sound too loud. Then we will normalize it by selecting the effect, then click normalize and press OK. Yes, normal. This is the result.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Karena 2016. Thank you.
Okay, the sounds of type 1 robot is finished. You must export the audio. Robot 1. Save and quick look. The sound of type 1 robot is finished. We continue with the sound of the second type of robot. File and new. The second way is very simple. First, we record our voice. Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you. Listening. Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you. And then click effect and select vocoder in PV. Is this? Press OK. Wait 4 minutes. This is the result.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016. Thank you.
Maybe repeat.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Paralel 2016.
This is a type 2, but the type 1 is this. You must listening again.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm from Teknik Informatika Karena 2016. Thank you.
Okay, finish of 2 types of robot sounds. Thank you for listening.